Hello students, so we are discussing the basic block diagram of communication system. So already we have seen that the basic blocks in any communication block diagram are transmitter, channel and receiver as shown in the diagram. So these are the basic blocks in communication block diagram. And but if we consider in detail the block diagram of communication system, we have seen that these blocks are information source. So information source is generating the signal, information signal, or that is also called as the message signal that we have to transmit. That is the first block. Then the next it is the transmitter. So transmitter means in this block the processing takes place. So for example, as I told the example, if I am talking without mic and if I talk with mic, so if I do some processing on the signal to increase its strength, the communication will have less losses. So to make the signal more capable for long distance transmission, whatever processing we are doing on that signal, that is called as the modulation process, or that is called as the processing on the signal. So that processing takes place in the transmitter part. Then the transmitted signal is given to the channel. So communication channel is a media through which the information it is transmitted. So in this chapter we have to study 4 types of channels: transmission line, then coaxial cable, waveguides and optical fibers. So that 4 types of channels we have to study. So again, if you see in the diagram, while transmitting that information through the channel, some noise it is added. So noise is nothing but it is the unwanted signal. That signal it is added in the basic information signal that is related to the channel. Then after transmitting the signal through the channel, it is given to the receiver. So in receiver, if we are doing modulation at the transmitter side, the demodulation takes place at the receiver. So all these basic terms we will see in the next lecture. Considering after studying this block diagram, I will just briefly explain you what is the concept of modulation. So if we are doing modulation at transmitter side, demodulation it is done at the receiver side. It is the process of extracting the original signal from the modulated signal. So demodulation is done at the receiver and the original message signal is again received by the receiver. So this is about the basic block diagram of the communication system. So again, if we have to summarize, we can tell that for any communication system there are 3 basic blocks: transmitter, that will transmit the information signal, it is transmitted through the channel, and receiver, it is collecting the information signal. So this is the elements of the communication system. Now we will discuss what is the concept of modulation. So related to modulation only the baseband and carrier communication terms are used, that we will see later. But first let us first understand the basic concept. What is the concept of the modulation? So in electronics and telecommunication, modulation is the process of varying one or more properties of a periodic waveform called as the carrier signal with a modulating signal that